Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too.
Hey guys, it's your girl Golden Brewery and I'm back with another video. Today I am installing this wig by Low on AliExpress. This is their 13x6 HD lace. This is 28 inch and 150 density. Okay y'all, so right here I'm just pushing back my hair. I use the Got To Be glue. Also, I got the wrong wig cap. This does not match my skin complexion, but I didn't notice until after. Right here I'm using a spray first. I never use a spray first, but I saw somebody on TikTok do it, so I just wanted to try it. And when I say my wig lasted a whole week, my wig never lasted a whole week. So I sprayed the Got To Be glue spray twice and I put the glue 3 times. This is one thing that I love and hate about the HD wig cap is that when you're ready to cut it, it's hard to really see, especially when it's really melted, because I ain't gonna lie, it took me a while to really like cut it because I wasn't trying to like cut my skin or anything. And that's the good part about an HD lace, is that it really melts.
I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know.
If you see my last vlog where I bleached this wig, you seen that I over bleached it, but I'm not gonna lie, I think over bleached wig might be way better because you can always fix it up instead of having to re-bleach it.
I'm in that 8 and then one of the different prior. I try to pay all your long off and copy you a job. I had to stand too close to the city. You acting too vulnerable living this life.
Also right here I'm adding another layer of glue. Now I added 2 layers of glue and then I sprayed the Got To Be glue spray again on top of the wig. Now like I said, everything I'm doing, I seen it on TikTok, because usually I just use the glue. I don't use the spray at all. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I haven't used the spray in years, but I saw somebody use the spray and I was like, let me use both of them at the same time.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? I can't pass it.
I already know what Miss E. Kane said. Bend for an hour. Do it till it's hot. Wig gonna be melted and lace gonna be laid. She ain't never lied to us, because look at my face right here. Just look. Yup, that band was on for an hour.
Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My how the time change.
So when you're cutting your lace, make sure you use the facial razors. You could use the scissors, but make sure you're not cutting straight, or you can use the scissors that zigzags, because that used to be my biggest problem, was cutting straight. So don't cut straight. If you want to use the scissors, use it to like cut areas that you can't cut with the razor. Now just look at the wig. Like, I really did my thing with this wig. So right now I'm gonna just clean it up, like clean the area with some alcohol.
I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing.
So once I clean the area with some alcohol, I use my silky band, and I also do this for not an hour but 20-30 minutes, just so it can really melt. So as you can see, my middle part is a little wide. The sides are a little over bleached, but I did use mascara. I didn't use mascara in the video because I didn't think I have any. So if your hair wig is over bleached, you can use mascara, dye. I think there is like spray for hair that's like, you know how like people have gray hair, there is a spray for that, so you could get that at the beauty supply store. I saw it. It was $5, but I didn't need it because I had mascara.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. But he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. But I ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching this bitch, I'm up in a scene out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'm up ready to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know.
Okay, so I'm gonna put up a picture on how I wanted my hair. It didn't come out the same because one, I was tired. I've been doing my hair for like 2 to 3 hours, so I was very much tired, and also I had to record, so I just did something real quick. But I'm gonna put up a picture on what I really wanted. So here I'm curling my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I need to throw this little small ass curler away and get them big ones. I definitely am gonna start buying more like flat irons and curlers because I just have this one little curler, one little flat iron, and a hot comb, and that's it, and a crimp curler. But I need one of them big curlers because I love seeing big curls. So here is the final look. Now I am kind of sad I didn't do the hairstyle I wanted to, but I am gonna do it and film a TikTok. Also gonna go to Pinterest and see if I can find a different hairstyle. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a update video on YouTube or on TikTok. I will do that for you guys because me personally, I love when people do update videos, especially when it comes to wigs, because I feel like people, they record a wig video and they say it's 10 out of 10, but when you buy it and a month goes by, it's terrible. Because me personally, I like to reuse my wigs for like a couple of months. I like to get my whole money worth. Even if I only paid $100, I want to get my money's worth. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. When you subscribe, turn that post notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in my next video.